Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cryptomania. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that when I post new videos every day you will get notification about it. In today's video we are going to discuss about this new coin called ANKR. So what is ANKR? Basically it's a multi-chain foundation for the crypto economy. ANKR is the only platform that combines node infrastructure, staking and DeFi to make developing and earning easy. So for investors can earn a higher rate of return over traditional staking on 11 chains. And for developers, your portal to build and earn on Web 3.0. So if you are planning to build decentralized applications such as games or mobile exchange or even e-commerce, then it's the chain that you can use for developing. They will provide API to build apps on these nodes, and it will work on blockchain technology. ANKR operates the most fundamental platform in blockchain technology, that is a global distributed network of nodes across 50 plus proof of stake consensus mechanism chains. ANKR brings two movements together, Web3 and decentralized finance. The Web3 movement is about decentralized applications, protocols and smart contracts, while the DeFi movement creates the financial system for Web3, money embedded in infrastructure. By bringing them together, ANKR powers the crypto economy. So there are other chains that are built on ANKR, and they have been using ANKR technology. So you can see the list here from Binance, Ethereum, Kusama to Phantom and all other things. So until now, in ANKR, 500 million calls to the blockchain per day. So that's quite a huge number of calling and load on the node, but it handles it perfectly and work perfectly on this system. So it's quite scalable and robust system. Until now, they have already processed 1 billion transactions per month. There are currently 45 plus chain that supports ANKR. There are 350 million USD value locked in ANKR system. There are around 8,000 plus nodes launched, top 3 validator for Binance Smart Chain and top Ethereum chain validator. So all of these technology or companies are using ANKR. Some of them are Celo and the Graph and the Compound. So if you are more interested about ANKR, then you can join their Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium and Reddit community. Now let's look at their chart. So basically they have launched this in 2020 April. Until after the launch, they have already gained a momentum and reached to new height. You can see here now every crypto is currently dipping, and people believe that it's a crypto winter, so every coin's price is dropping, and I think it's a good time to buy your favorite cryptocurrency if you have the fund. But guys, please do not take this as serious financial advice. Only invest in those coins that you truly believe and think that in the future this will impact and the project will grow. So the total circulating supply is around 10 billion, that is the maximum supply, and currently there are 8.16 billion ANKR in the market. It is basically based on Ethereum and Ethereum, Binance and Solana chain. So it's quite multi-chain platform. I personally prefer Solana or Binance over Ethereum because of the low gas fee. Ethereum charges quite heavy on gas fee. So make sure if you are going to buy from Trust Wallet or MetaMask, then it would be a wise idea to buy from Binance Smart Chain or Solana. Now let's look at their social media account. So they have quite strong presence on Twitter. There are currently 157k followers on Twitter. So they update things about their progress or collaboration in their Twitter page. So it's a good idea if you are going to invest into ANKR, then firstly look into these social media channels so that it would be easier for you to understand what's going on with the project and how they are progressing or different collaboration they are making, so that it's easier to make different decisions. Now another thing I always suggest to look at the number of holders of the current token. So for this I will use Binance, because I believe a lot of people are using Binance Smart Chain to purchase, and ether scan. So if you look at ether scan, then there are currently 32,500 holders that are currently holding Anchor for future investment or different purposes. Apart from that, if we look at Binance, then there are around 19,000 addresses that are currently holding Anchor. So things that are quite important nowadays for purchasing or investing in cryptocurrency is that number of holders and their presence on social media, because we hear a lot of news recently that a lot of coin got hacked and a lot of coin got rug pulled, such as Squid Game and different other coins. So if there are a large number of holders and they have quite good presence on social media, then there are very few chance that you might get rug pulled, or the company will run. So make sure that you do proper research before investing into these projects. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because I'll try to tell and inform you about cryptocurrency that can do better in future, or you might miss on coin market cap. So until then, see you guys.